Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Goldman Sachs Apple Card support, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Goldman Sachs Apple Card support, begin by opening the Wallet app on your iOS device. Locate the Apple Card icon within the app. Tap on the icon to access your Apple Card account information. In the upper right corner, tap on the three dots to open the options menu. Scroll down and select Card Information. You will see a section labeled Support. Tap on Support to view contact options available for your account. Choose between call or chat to connect with customer support. If you're opting to call, press the call button to initiate the call. Make sure to have your Apple Card details ready for quicker assistance. For chat support, tap on the chat option to begin a live conversation. You may be prompted to log in to your Apple ID for verification. Once logged in, describe your issue or inquiry in the chat text box. Wait for a support representative to respond to your message. For email support, you may visit the Goldman Sachs support website. Locate the Contact Us section on the website. Fill out the contact form with your request or issue. Be sure to include your contact information for a prompt response. Keep an eye on your email for a reply from the support team. For faster assistance, consider using the Apple Support app. Open the app and select Apple Card from the list of services. Choose your issue from the provided options. Follow the prompts for either chat or call support based on your preference. Once your issue is resolved, ensure that you have all necessary follow-up steps documented. That concludes the process for registering with Goldman Sachs Apple Card support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.